Shit. Alright guys, I thought I was recording, but I guess I wasn't. So, this is the 37 horsepower Vanguard Briggs and Stratton. Alright, everybody's always having problems. There's not a lot of videos out on it. Okay, so the start issue with the starter and all that stuff, yeah, I got the same problem. But anyways, the reason my 37 wasn't starting was because I was turning the key and I wasn't hearing that noise as far as the fuel injectors or whatever, the fuel pump priming out. So you know when you turn the key, it goes and then it stops, and then boom, you crank it, she fires up. Well, I wasn't hearing that, so all I was getting was just cranking. So I ripped off the top of this engine here. Like I said, 37 horsepower Briggs and Stratton big block, and right in here, this is plugged into here like this. So I ripped this off. I looked in here, some fuses in here, checked them both. This 20 amp fuse was bad. Replaced that. Finally, I get the noise. Alrighty. So if that helped you out and your big block is not priming when you turn the key, pop the top on there, check that fuse, and I hope this will help you out. All right, man. Like, subscribe, follow if this helped you out.